Yo, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So today I'm just going to be washing my car because it's actually been a while since I've washed it. Probably give you guys a little time lapse of me doing that. And also my suspension, the rear left suspension, it's really squeaky, and I'm going to be fixing that today. So I'll show you guys how to fix it if any of you guys have that same problem. But it's not a permanent fix, it's temporary. I think it lasts probably like a month or something, I'm not sure yet, but it's a cheap fix. And I think it's the bushing. Give you guys a sick POV as well because the car is going to be mad clean. So yeah.
Hey, yo, God, this is crazy.
So I just finished washing the car and it's actually super clean. I haven't washed this car like a proper wash in so long, but there's so much like imperfections with the paint, like that needs to be fixed, and just a bunch more, some little like rock chips or whatever, but from a distance you guys can't really see it, so it's not too bad. But oh bro, having a clean car, I swear, I always try to keep my cars clean. Inside of my car is always clean for the most part, but outside, because here in Canada, bro, the weather is really unpredictable, so it rains a lot. But the interior is looking pretty clean. The floor mats, it's not the cleanest. I try to clean it, but you know, that's as clean as it's gonna get. And other from that though, everything is looking pretty nice, even this side. But yeah, having a clean car, bro, I swear it's the best thing. And I just use this new air freshener, bro. This is the way. I usually, when I wash my car, I usually put it right here in front of the AC vent, because then the smell actually gets everywhere. So I might just stick that right there for now. But I never hang it here, bro. No, I just don't like the look of it, so I always just put it here just when I wash the car, so the smell gets everywhere. Then I just kind of leave it on the side of the door there. I'll try to hold this with one hand and let you guys hear it, but whenever I go like up any bumps or any like road that's not level, this is all I hear. Yeah, I'm not sure how well you guys can hear that because I'm only using one hand to push down on the car, but it is super loud, and especially when I'm driving, it's way louder than just using my hand to push it down. And bro, it's the most embarrassing thing. Like, now I just washed my car's looking clean, probably people are like, maybe I'm like turning heads or something, and that's all you hear, bro. That's the worst thing, trust me. I'll try to make you guys hear it a little bit better though. Yeah, you guys should hear it though. So supposedly it's some sort of ball joint. It's right behind the wheel here, like right on the suspension, and I'm pretty much just gonna put a little hole in the ball joint and put some WD-40, but it's like it's kind of like I don't remember what it's called. Alright guys, so this is the car. It's just up on the jack. I just removed the wheel because this is the side that's making the squeaking noise for me. So I'm just gonna use this little pin and try to poke a hole in the bushing, and this is the kind of WD-40 I'm using. So it's just like a lubricant kind of one, so you guys can get the same one. I think it should do the job. But this is the bushing. This is supposedly what's making the squeaky noise. So this side is rubber, that right there is rubber, and I'm just gonna poke a hole in both sides. I'm just recording on my phone because it's a bit easier than the GoPro, so it's kind of hard to do while recording, but I'm just gonna poke a hole there and there, and then I'm gonna take the WD-40 and stick it in the hole that I poked and just put some of the lubricant inside, and that should stop the squeaking. I'm gonna do it on both sides, so this side and that side, and I'm also just gonna do like around it, just, you know, just for some extra. All right guys, so I think I actually did fix the issue because the car doesn't seem to be squeaking anymore. So I'm just gonna drive it right now and see, because usually when I'm driving, that's when it's really loud. So hopefully it's good because car is clean, car's looking sick, and the squeaking is the only thing that was messing it up. So I'm not even gonna go fast yet because I'm just trying to see if I will hear it or not. So far so good, to be honest. I'm trying to go over a little bump though to see if I can find anything to go over, but it sounds way better because I feel like I'd already be hearing it. You guys didn't hear it that much in the POVs just because like the pops is like covering it up and stuff, but in person, especially just like casually driving, bro, it's so bad. Let's see. Nah, it seems good. Nah, I definitely feel like it's better. So if you guys have a squeaky suspension or anything, you can go ahead and try that, because it's a cheap fix. I know that I have to change the bushing eventually, but it's not a job I can do myself because you need like a hydraulic press or something, I think, in order to get it out. But you know, for now it is good enough. It's really not even expensive. A new bushing is probably like $30-40, but you have to pay a shop to do it. So you know, that I don't think they should charge too much, but you know, it's definitely gonna be a little bit more. Nah, it's definitely good now, bro. Usually that thing was so bad. Let's go over these little bumps here. Yeah, it's definitely good, bro. Finally, because usually it starts and stops by itself, but this time it was on there for probably like 2 weeks and it wasn't getting any better or anything. Yeah, and especially like car meets and stuff, bro. Just imagine your car squeaking. Damn, bro. Yeah, just imagine your car squeaking at a car meet. Just how embarrassing that is. It really sucks, but now it's very clean. Hey, let me put this window up a little bit. Too much wind coming in. But yeah, right now the car is very, very clean. As you guys can tell, it smells amazing too. Bro, clean car, no squeaking on a beautiful afternoon, or it's more like evening. Yeah, it is evening. It's like almost 8 and it's this light. Like, it's, bro, I don't know, Canada has the weirdest weather. I'm not complaining though. I prefer when it gets dark later, but it's almost 8 o'clock and the sun is still up. So yeah, I kind of like it though, to be honest. It gives you more daytime. Feels like I can get more done. Give you guys a little pull going on this highway. Bro, you know the funny thing is, I'm actually used to stage 2 power now. That's crazy. Like, the car still feels fast, don't get me wrong, but it's not nearly as impressive to me. When I just tuned the car, I remember, bro, just moving off from a stoplight, not even in Sport Plus, I would go crazy at the stage 2 power, but right now it just feels normal. And that's actually crazy, because this is like 420 horsepower, give or take, between 400 to 420. And the fact I'm almost like, I'm fully used to it now. Doesn't even feel that fast again. That's actually crazy. That's why people always want to go faster. That's why now I want to get an M4, a F82 M4, or an M340i, because I know those stage 2 plus, I'm pushing like close to 700 easy. So you know, that's over 200 more than what I have right now. So it's gonna be way faster. And I don't know. I've never been in a fast car. Like, this is the fastest car I've ever been in. But yeah, I don't know. Like I always say though, I'm trying to get into one of the newer platforms. Well, not really newer, because either F82 M4 or M340i, but it's gonna be way faster. But eventually it's coming though. Not yet, not just yet. I still gotta save up some money for that, but it's coming soon. Damn, G. The pops aren't even warm yet. Nice little underpass. Getting nasty, bro. But sounds like a motorcycle, definitely is. I love the sound of like 600s, bro. Sounds crazy. Or 1000s. Anything above 600s sounds nasty. Kind of sounds like a supercar. Bro, I'm legit sliding, bro, like straight up spinning on a sunny day. I don't know what's up. It's either my tires or I don't know. A downshift. No pops, bro. Nah, I am spinning a lot. Ain't no way I should be spinning like this. Maybe it's a tire shine I put on or something. Because my car is rear wheel drive though. Damn, look at that Corvette, bro. I don't know, probably it's my tire shine that I put on, but bro, that Corvette was crazy. I swear, seeing supercars, it's probably my favorite thing. Like, it always makes my day, never fails. Some people don't consider the Corvette supercars though, but I don't know, I would. It looks crazy though. Not my favorite car, but they are crazy. Damn, the sun is blinding me. Bro, this guy's gonna run off the road. Ain't no way. They're probably on his phone or something. Like, he's fully over the line. Knowing my luck, he'll probably run off the road, spin right out, and hit my car. Nah, he definitely gonna hit the grass. Bro is tripping. Drunk driving? Imagine. I don't know. Is he giving me a thumbs up or probably giving that guy the finger? Probably, because they were going mad slow. He definitely was. He laughing. Damn, what kind of Mercedes is that? Probably a C-Class though. Looks nice. Bro, if any of you guys live in Canada, you should know how crazy the gas prices are. Like 156, and that's actually getting good. Usually the average is 164. Yeah, the pops are finally getting warm, and I'm almost home, so kind of sucks. Yeah, it's definitely getting warm. I'm putting my window down. Damn, bro, it always gets warm when I'm home too. Talking about having the worst luck. Let's see, I'm probably still spinning too. No blinkers, nothing, bro. Damn, nah, it's definitely warm now. I don't like to scare dogs though, that's one thing. Whenever I see a dog, I try not to make it pop. But yeah, I'm pretty much home though, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I was kind of stuck in traffic most of the time, but you know, you guys, I think I'm gonna throw in some clips with me like washing the car and stuff, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll come back again with a better POV where I'm not stuck in traffic, but you know, hopefully you guys enjoy this one regardless, and I'll catch you all in the next one.